Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a master lock 639D. It's a 30mm nickel plated brass stainless steel shackle, and it's the sort of a little marine or marinized padlock. Slippery little sucker, but nickel plated. We've got the key there, so you can see it's pretty extreme bitting for a little 4-pin master lock. And we'll get it in there, get it open, and it's a bit of an awkward pick for a master lock. So let's try and tension up this lock. So the front pin 1, is sitting so close to the front of the lock that yeah, it quite often will spit out the tensioner. So let's see what we've got there. Pin 4, solid. And we'll try and lock the focus on there. See, got a click from 2. Sorry, a click from 3. 2, 1. We get a wee click from 1, and we're into a false set. 2 gives us a bit of counter, but 1 drops again. And click 1 again, and we get the open. So I don't think I had to pick pin 4. So I'm thinking pin 4, the key pin's probably so short that the driver is sitting below the shear line. So we managed to turn the core, possibly with the driver and key pin below shear. Right, there we go, the wee master lock 639D. There we go. The 51st episode of Mini Lock Monday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.